A proposed settlement has been reached in a class action lawsuit seeking to have the court issue a temporary restraining order to delay the State Department of Health's overhaul of a Medicaid-funded home care program.
It's called the Consumer-Directed Personal Assistance Program, also known as CDPAP. Isabel Garcia joins us in the studio with key dates consumers and participants need to know. Isabel.
Yes, good evening to both of you. The lawsuit was brought forth by the New York Legal Assistance Group on behalf of 6 people and 2 independent living centers, including one locally, citing concerns over what many were calling a severely rushed process the State Department of Health required for caretakers and recipients of CDPAP to switch over to a state-selected care management firm. Now, in September of last year, the state selected Public Partnerships LLC, PPL, to be the sole administrator of all CDPAP services, whereas there were previously 600+ entities taking on these tasks called fiscal intermediaries. Now, the DOH had previously held an April 1st deadline to switch over hundreds of thousands of participants to the new company, despite ongoing concerns from those in the disability community and lawmakers alike. Now, a major date to keep in mind right now is August 1st. That's now the new deadline for consumers to make their switch over to PPL. This following a judge issuing an amended preliminary injunction. Now, the state continues to maintain this was an essential move to save upwards of $9 billion. Now, parts of this lawsuit highlighted concerns surrounding PPL's registration process, including the system incorrectly saving previously entered information, receiving no callbacks from the PPL service line despite leaving a phone number on multiple occasions, or receiving a call back from a representative who did not know how to fix the problem. Now, the amended preliminary injunction sets in motion a series of letters and notices to CDPAP consumers who have not yet registered with PPL.
There are tens of thousands of disabled people that no one knows what happened to. They're not getting services. They're not connected with anything that anyone knows of. So what is happening is they're getting letters to let them know this is what you need to do to get connected back up with services. And then there's a requirement that the managed care companies actually send someone to the person's last known address.
Now, in a statement about this settlement to News 8, the New York Department of Health says, quote, as the department continues to transition the consumer-directed personal assistance program, our focus remains on continuation of care for consumers and timely payments to and proper oversight of personal assistance. We're pleased the latest agreement in court allows the state to pursue our goal of protecting both access to care and program integrity, end quote. Now, this also comes as the president of PPL is reportedly departing, first reported by Politico, amid other leadership changes at the company. For now, reporting in the studio, Isabel Garcia, News 8.